If you're seeing the Claude error message that says, "This isn't working right now, you can try again later," don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue is usually caused by a temporary server problem, a browser cache issue, an outdated app, or even a VPN or browser extension interfering with Claude's connection. The good news is that most of the time you can solve it in just a few minutes. Before we get into the steps, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and AI troubleshooting guides. That really helps the channel grow, and it means you won't miss future tutorials. Alright, let's start with the first and most important step, checking Claude's server status. Open your browser and go to status.claude.com. Once the page loads, look carefully at the current system status. If Claude is showing an outage, degraded performance, or any active incident, then the issue is likely on their side and not yours. In that case, the best thing to do is wait until the service is restored and try again later. If the status page says that all systems are operational, then that tells us the problem is probably on your device or in your browser settings. So keep going with the next steps. Now, let's move on to the browser and app fixes. If you're using Claude in a web browser, the first thing to try is clearing your cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can sometimes block Claude from loading correctly or prevent it from communicating properly with the server. After clearing the cache and cookies, refresh the page and sign in again if needed. If you don't want to clear everything right away, an even quicker test is to open Claude in an incognito or private browsing window. This starts a clean session without the stored browser data that may be causing the issue. If Claude works in private mode, then that strongly suggests the problem is related to your browser cache, cookies, or an extension. If you're using the Claude mobile app or desktop client, make sure the app is fully updated. Go to your App Store or Software Updater and check whether there's a newer version available. Outdated app versions can sometimes break compatibility with Claude's servers and trigger error messages like this one. Install the latest update, restart the app, and then try again. In many cases, that's all it takes to get everything working normally. Next, let's look at VPNs and browser extensions, because these are very common causes of Claude connection issues. Some VPN networks can interfere with the way Claude communicates with its servers, and some browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, can accidentally prevent the page from loading correctly. To test this, temporarily turn off your VPN first and reload Claude. If the error disappears, then your VPN was likely the cause. If it still isn't working, disable your active browser extensions one by one, then try Claude again after each change. Focus especially on any extension that modifies websites, blocks trackers, filters scripts, or changes network behavior. If Claude starts working after disabling a certain extension or VPN, you found the source of the issue. At that point, you can either leave it disabled while using Claude or adjust its settings so it doesn't interfere with the site. If none of these steps work, wait a little while and try again later, because sometimes the issue really is just temporary. So to recap, first check the Claude status page, then try clearing your cache and cookies or opening an incognito window. Make sure your app is updated, and finally disable your VPN and extensions to see if one of them is causing the error. These steps solve most Claude error messages like this one. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone else who's having the same Claude error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.